So let's quickly work on the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So recall that the determinant, okay, we are given a matrix A from the previous video as 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, minus 3, and then we have 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. So if I want to find the determinant of this matrix, it simply implies that you want to find the determinant of 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Now, please take note, I want to use two methods to solve this. So, method one is using Laplace expansion, Laplace determinant expansion method to do this. You have to put plus, minus, plus according to Laplace expansion of determinants, such that you need to pick this first positive sign with one of this number you have up here. Write it out, plus 1. Then, after writing this plus 1, whatever you have to do now is to actually draw another fresh determinant bracket here, such that whatever you're going to put here now implies that at this position of positive 1, you are expected to block this 1 vertically, and at this position of 1, you need to block it horizontally. So what do you have left? I have 2 minus 3, 3 minus, that's what I have left. So you go ahead again with the next one, which is minus 2. The next one is minus 2. So I have minus 2 here. So whatever you have to do next now is to draw a determinant bracket, okay? And then at this position of 2, you're still to block it vertically and what? And horizontally. What do you have left? I will have this, 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 and this left. So I have 4, I have minus 1, I have minus 3, and I have minus 2 left. And as for the last one, which is positive 1, so just use your eyes to capture that one. So I will have this left. For positive, if I block this vertically and horizontally, I will have 4, 2, minus 1, 3 left. 4, 2, minus 1, 3. So these ones are very, very easy to do. Okay. So whatever you have to do now is to just write, okay, I have positive 1 here. Then you now have, from 3 by 3, from determinant of 3 by 3, now it has been reduced with the use of Laplace expansion of determinants. This 3 by 3 has been reduced to 2 by 2. So it will be very easy for you to do now, for you to break this down, because I've already explained the determinant of 2 by 2 before. And the way I actually explained was that I actually asked you to put a positive sign and a negative sign here, then you cross multiply. Okay, that's what I asked to do. So plus 2 times minus 2, I already have plus 1 outside. This is the plus 1 outside. So plus 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And then minus 3 times 3, that's plus 9. So then you go ahead, minus 2, then you put plus minus and then you cross multiply. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Minus minus minus, that's minus. Because minus times minus is plus. Plus times minus is minus. 3 times 1 is what? 3. And as for the last one, which is plus 1, open bracket, put plus and minus and cross multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus minus is plus. 2 times 1 is what? 2. So therefore, the final answer will become, okay, not final answer yet. This is equals to minus 4 plus 9, that's 5. Times 1, that's 5. This minus 8 minus 3, and that is minus 11. Minus 11 times minus 2, that's plus 22. And then finally with what? This plus 12 plus 2, that's 14. So 5 plus 22, that is 27, right? 27 plus 14, that is that is 41. Yes, that should be 41. So the determinant of this matrix is what? 41. So I will need to use the second method, and then let's relate our answer whether we also get 41 or not. So for the second method, you know, okay, in the next video I'll make sure I explain it clearly. Okay, but let me just write out the matrix again. The matrix is given as 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2. So to do this, I think this is matrix A. So we need to find the determinants now. So in the next video I'll explain it better.